Hey friends, I just want to show you how to create work groups in Genesis. We think that this is going to be very beneficial for our phys ed teachers who have students in their classes that will be out of class because of lab days. You can put them in a work group and hopefully it'll make your attendance taking much easier. This step needs to be done after you've merged all of your sections for a period. But once you come into Genesis, you're going to go to Gradebook, Profiles. You're going to click the profiles, and you can see here are some profiles that I have made for my different classes. And you're going to click and go into the profile that you made. And then you're going to click on Work Groups. Now you can see I've already started to play with this. So for those of you that have certain sections where all of the students will be present all 5 days, I created one work group for present all 5 days. And then I started creating my daily lab days that people might be out for. So you see I have Lab Monday, Lab Tuesday, and Lab Wednesday. All you're going to do is click a new lab work group. Being that I've come up to Thursday, you can only put 2 letters in here. Since I know that I think of R as Thursday, I'm just going to put R as my code, and then I will type in here lab Thursday and create. I like colors, so if you want to change the color, you can just come over here, click on a color. Shows up a little differently, and I'm going to click Save Work Groups. So far you can see that I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. If you also have a Friday, you can create even another work group and have your Friday. Now, when I'm ready to put students into my work groups, I'm going to come over here to Gradebook and then Rosters. And you can see here that I have my students. And if you see right here, this is a drop-down menu that allows me to choose which work group. Now, if you have your list with you, you can assign each student a work group. Always remember to click Save. Anything in red is not saved until you click Save. So it's a little bit work on the back end, but what happens is when you've got this all set up and you go to take attendance, you can click on, oops, I just clicked the wrong thing, the attendance tab here. And I'm going to switch it to a day that is not today so that we can see. And you can see that the groups show up here. So with a quick look, I can see who's going to be here for 5 days, who is off on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. The great part of this is that I can take this drop down and it shows all of my groups here. And I can look at the students that have lab on a certain day, and I can pull them up, and I can actually do their attendance quickly by just clicking here and adding well, right now there's only absent and tardy, but hopefully we're going to add another category that will let us know that they're in lab. I'm going to click them absent for now so that you can see it. Actually, yeah, so you can see it. And then now we're going to view all groups. And you can see that that student would be in their lab class, and you can go ahead and take the rest of your attendance. We hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let me or any of the Genesis teachers know, and hopefully this will be a shortcut to make your life easier.